Warm water, lemon, glutamine, and propolis. Do you know why this combination works? You surely have heard about the benefits of drinking warm water and lemon during your fast, haven't you? If you still don't know why this powerful combination is beneficial, you can learn more about it by watching the suggested video on our channel. But besides warm water and lemon, today you will learn how important it is to add glutamine and propolis to this amazing mixture. Learn a little more about the ingredients. Lemon improves digestion, increases immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties, and great detox power. Besides that, to reap even more benefits from lemon juice, it is recommended to add some warm water to facilitate the assimilation of nutrients by the body and the removal of harmful substances. Propolis has antiseptic and protective effects, inhibits the proliferation of undesired microorganisms both in the beehive and the human body. Have you ever heard about glutamine? People who practice physical activities already know it, but if you still don't know what glutamine does, you will learn now. Glutamine is an amino acid easily found in our body. However, in stressful situations, intense and prolonged physical activities, for example, the body can't produce the necessary amount of glutamine to restore its normal levels. So, people who do heavy workouts or who follow calorie restriction diets end up sick. After all, glutamine works as a fuel to the cells of our immune system, and in its lack, the immune system weakens. Glutamine also affects the metabolization of proteins, being very important for people who want to gain muscle mass. The combination of these ingredients can promote some benefits to our body, such as cleaning the intestine and improving its health, detoxing the liver, prevention of colds and flu, and improvement of blood circulation. Do you want to know how to make this drink? In a glass of warm water, squeeze half a lemon, add some drops of propolis, and 1 scoop of glutamine. Drink it while fasting. Preferably, wait 30 minutes before having your breakfast. Isn't it easy to do? Now that you know the benefits of this super drink, why don't you try drinking some warm water with lemon, propolis, and glutamine right now? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.